Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a Co-Construct tutorial for beginners. Co-Construct is a construction project management software designed to help contractors, builders, and remodelers manage projects, budget, and client communication. Here's how to get started. Setting up your account. Sign up. Create an account on Co-Construct and set up your company profile. Add projects. Create a new project. And input essential details like location, budget, and client information. Now on managing projects. Tasks and scheduling. Use the calendar and task list to track project milestones, deadlines, and team assignments. For budgeting, set up a budget and manage project costs with real-time tracking. On client communication, for client portal, invite clients to the portal where they can view project progress, approve designs, and communicate with your team. Messages, keep all communication organized and track messages between you and the client. For the job cost tracking, track expenses, input expenses, and track labor costs to ensure you stay within budget. For change orders, manage change orders easily and update budgets and timelines accordingly. Now for its best practices. Use templates. Create and reuse templates for common tasks to save time. Monitor progress. Regularly update project timelines and budgets. Client collaboration. Use the client portal for smooth communication and approvals. And that's basically it.